Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Get ready to tackle your toughest demolition jobs with the Stanley FUBAR 3760mm. This one-piece forged carbon steel powerhouse is built for efficiency and strength. With its serrated gripping jaw and chisel point pry bar, you can pry, rip, and pull nails with ease. The textured rubber grip ensures comfort and control, while the heat-treated striking face prevents chipping, making it perfect for heavy-duty use. At 760 millimeters long, this tool gives you the leverage you need for precision in every strike. Choose the Stanley 155-120 FUBAR 3 and experience the ultimate in demolition versatility.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.